In this video, I will show you how to customize and create your own Wild West posters using these high-resolution mockups. These work in Adobe Photoshop, but you can always export the image and add the text in other softwares. Let's see how to customize them. When you open the PSD file, locate a red layer. Double-click on the thumbnail to open it. Place your image here inside this smart object that acts as a nested document. Close and save when asked. You can modify, change, add, and remove any text, and most of the fonts used can be found online for free, but they're not included in this file for copyright reasons. The resolution of the files is very high. Now, to create that effect on the photos, I've used the Bitmap Halftone FX plugin, which is included in this package. This plugin will help you creating fantastic lines and patterns on your images with a ton of options available. Unlike other similar plugins, this one offers distinct options for shadows, midtones, and highlights separately, and you can really create fantastic effects with every type of image. Here I'm choosing different patterns for the shadows, the highlights, and the midtones. This effect is not mandatory for the mockups, but really helps enhancing the vintage look.
These posters are great for printing and for many occasions: parties, pranks, birthdays, amusement parks, events, and much more. You can place any image or text in these templates, even a normal photo. The most important setting is in the smart object of the image. When you apply adjustments, you will be able to change and modify them without damaging the image. The most important setting when blending the image in the poster is the Blend If option. Hold the Alt key on your keyboard to split the sliders and create a smooth blend with the backdrop. You can get them in my Gumroad profile, and I will try to set a reasonable price for these fun templates. Everyone seems to be working with AI these days, but I feel you can get a better look with handmade visuals like these. Let me know what you think in the comments.